evening once again. I'm doing another batch of my completely non-IP infringing astromechs tonight. We've got a batch of 12 that we're going to be doing, and I mean, you've seen me do these before, so just hang tight and enjoy the time lapses. Okay, whenever you're ready, make sure the camera's focused, and we've got the, there's no, I can't see the screen. You gotta tell me. Yes, I know your vision's motion-based. Okay, here, I'm moving around. All right, are you sure I'm in frame? All right, let's do a sound check. 1, 2, wait, hold on. How are you not in the frame? You're supposed to be the camera. Okay, listen, I know it's really hard with your little arms, and just relax, Oh. No, I need you to be behind the camera. Behind the camera. You know what? I think we're fine, All right, so whenever we're ready, go ahead and hit record, and then we'll do the intro, all right? Awesome.